Hello students, we have started practice set 2.1 in which we have completed till question number 1 in which we saw that about terminating and non-terminating rational numbers. Let's start question number 2. What is given here? Write the following rational numbers in decimal form. Okay, in decimal form we have to write. It is clearly visible that it is in the fraction, so it is rational number, and this rational number we have to convert it into the decimal forms. So for converting decimal form, we will divide numerator by denominator, but here in first case it is seen that denominator can become 100. If it becomes 100, then we can manipulate it. Okay, so let's convert it into the 100. So for converting denominator into the 100, we have to divide it by 2. So when will we divide in denominator, we have to divide in the numerator. So we will divide numerator and denominator by 2. So 127 divide by 2 and 200 divide by 2. Divide by 2 means half. Okay, so here half of the 200, what is 100, and half of the 127, what is 63.5. okay, so we know that the rule of the numerator and denominator, when denominator contains the 100, 1000 and 10,000, 10, this type of numbers, or when denominator it contains. Okay, so here 63.5 is divided by 100, means that 100 contains how much zeros? 2 zeros. Okay, and 100 is in the division, so we will put this decimal into the left side. Okay, when 100 is in multiplication, so we will put decimal into the right side. Okay, when it is in division, we will put into the left side. And how much we have to put left side, that will depend on the zeros. Okay, so here how much zeros? 2 zeros, so we will put decimal or 2 side. Okay, so means that we will trace it like that way, that 63.5 it is. So we have to put to left side at the 2 place, so we will trace 1 and 2. So our number becomes 0.635. So here we got the 0.635. okay, this is the first method. Okay, this type of question we can solve into by 2 methods. Okay, second method is division. So we will divide numerator by denominator, means that 127 comes here and 200 here. So here we will divide. We know that the one here 127 is less than 200, so we will put 0. So 200 is a 0, 127 again, so we will put here decimal. Okay, and we will put here again 0 sign, and here it is 1270, so it is divisible by 6. Okay, so here 2 6 are 12 and 0, so number becomes 70, and we will place again 0 because one time we have put here decimal. Okay, so 700 and 2 3s are 6. Okay, so here 200 3s are 600. When we will subtract from 700, we get 100. Okay, 100 is less than 200, so again we will put here 0. Okay, so here we know that the 2 in the table of 2 10 comes. Okay, so 200 5s are 200 5s are, as 2 5s are 10, that in that way 200 5s are 1000. So here we got the same answer, same answer in the step 1 which we did by manipulation. Okay, so all the question we have to solve by the division method. Okay, because in all the question we are not getting the denominator as the multiple of 10. Okay, when we get the denominator as the multiple of 10, then we have to do it by this method. Okay, and when we have given the fraction in which denominator is not the multiple of 10, in that question we have to solve it by the division method. Okay, let's start question number 3. This question number 2 contains total number of 5 sub question, from which I am going to do here 3 question, and remaining of the 2 question you have to try by yourself along with these questions. Okay, here in question number 3 we have given that the 23 upon 7. Okay, here when we are looking at the denominator is not the multiple of 10, so we have to solve this question by the division method. Okay, so here we will divide 23 by 7. Okay, so first 7 3s are 21. Okay, 23 minus 21, that is 2, and we will put here decimal and 0 here, and again we will place we will multiple of we will took here multiple of 2. 7 2s are 14. Okay, so here we are getting 6, but one time we have put here decimal, so we can take here 0. Okay, 1 0, because 6 is less than 7. Okay, so 7 8s are 56. Okay, 60 minus 56, how much? 4. So we can put here 0. Yes, because 4 is less than 7, so we are putting here 0. It becomes 40. 7 5s are 35. We have to do the this calculation until we do not get 0. Okay, until we do not get 0 or repeated number. Okay, till then we will stop to do calculation. Okay, so here we are getting here 55. Okay, 40 minus 35, that is 5. So again we will put here 0. Okay, so here 7 7s are 49. 50 minus 49, how much? 1. Okay, so again 1 is less than 7, so we will put here 0, and 7 1 ja 7. It is continuously goes on increasing, but we have to put here patience until we do not get repeated number or 0 in the remainder. Okay, so here we are getting 3. Okay, so again we will write 0. 7 4s are 28. Okay, 30 minus 28, 2, and we will put here 0. Look at the second step. Again we are getting same number. Okay, so we will repeat these steps again and again. Okay, so it is coming from 7 2s are, means it is coming from the right side, it is coming from the right side of the decimal, that is from 2. So we will write here that 23 by 7 is equal to 3.285714, but it is continuously goes on repeating. From where it is continuously goes on repeating, second step means that it is from the right hand side of the decimal, means that it is from the 2. So we will place this sign is known as the bar. Okay, and this sign means that these numbers are continuously goes on increasing in our calculation. Okay, in the division method. So let's do question number 4, that is 4 upon 5. So we will divide 4 by 5. Okay, 4 is less than 5, so firstly we will divide it by 0. 4. Okay, so here we will put here decimals because we have to increase the number, so we will put here 0 because we have considered here decimals. So in the table of 5, 40 comes, is it? Yes, 5 8s are 40. Okay, so the sum has been done and we got the answer 0.8. so here we will write that 4 upon 5 is equal to 0.10. Okay, today we did here 3 questions. Okay, and question number 2 contains total number of 5 questions. Remaining 2 questions you have to try by yourself along with this question. Okay, if you have any difficulties, then ask me on WhatsApp. Thank you.